2 years ago, we bought some land in northern Minnesota and decided to build a DIY treehouse for our family. It's been about 50 days working on our days off, and now it's finished. If you want to see the full build, check out the playlist in the description. But for now, I hope you enjoy the tour. The sliding barn door opens to a view of our custom-made art created from all of the interesting little bits from the wood that we did not use in the interior. It's our kids' design and they helped with the creation of that. The interior is cedar tongue and groove. The lighting is battery-powered lanterns. Right now the furnishings are mostly set up for our kids as a place to hang out and read and relax. At some point, we might change that for ourselves. There is a custom-made loft net on the upper half of the room. It's big enough for an adult or two kids. It's quite comfortable. You can relax up there and see out the windows, lots of natural light, and a great view looking out over the ravine. Below the loft net, we have a nice comfortable beanbag. The loft net itself is open enough that it doesn't make the space feel too closed off. I am just over 6 feet tall, and the loft net is installed at a height just high enough that I can walk underneath it if no one is up on top. We installed custom-made wooden climbing holds. You put your feet and your hands on these holds to climb up to the net. They're a nice size and smooth, so that you can take your shoes off, climb up the climbing holds, and that way keep the walls and the loft net clean. We have a second hook for a battery-powered lantern in the loft net area. The lanterns that we have are actually a pair of Bluetooth-enabled lanterns. They have a speaker in the base, and they can be paired so that you can control one light by turning the dial on the other light, which will make it much easier to turn the lights on and off from one location without climbing into the loft just to turn off the light. It's almost winter here, and treehouse season is coming to a close, but we're very excited for next year and having everything finished and ready for spring. It will be a great place to enjoy being outside, to spend time as a family, to make lots of great memories, and to have a base camp for lots of adventures in the future. This is the end of the construction phase of this project. It has been quite an adventure. We've learned a lot. We're very happy with how things have turned out, and we really look forward to having a chance to enjoy the treehouse for years to come. If there's something that you would like to learn more about, leave me a comment, and I may be able to share more information in future videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed following along, so subscribe and be sure to watch for future videos.